Did you know there's a place on Earth that if it disappears, global temperatures will rise rapidly, millions of people will face water shortages, and our future could change forever? But here's the scary part. That place is slowly dying, right now. And we're watching it happen, doing almost nothing. That place is called the Amazon. Imagine this. You're sitting in a small boat. All around you, nothing but endless jungle. So dense, sunlight barely touches the ground. Strange birds calling from every direction. The air is heavy, humid, alive. And suddenly, in front of you flows a river so massive you can't even see the other side. This is the Amazon River, the most powerful, the most mysterious, and now the most endangered river on Earth. Today, we're going to uncover why it's called the lungs of the planet, why global politics revolve around it, and why, if the Amazon dies, you won't be safe either. Everything starts high in the Andes Mountains. Tiny streams, melting glaciers, little drops of water. Those drops become rivers. Those rivers become something bigger. And then a giant, a monster of water. A force so powerful that every second it pours millions of liters into the Atlantic Ocean. Not just a river, almost an ocean in motion. But the Amazon isn't just a river, it's a forest, the largest rainforest on the planet. Scientists call it the lungs of the Earth because every single day, these trees absorb billions of tons of carbon dioxide and give us oxygen in return. Think about that. The air you're breathing right now, part of it came from the Amazon. So this isn't just Brazil's forest. It's yours. It's mine. It belongs to all of us. This place is unreal. Pink river dolphins, giant anacondas, thousands of rare fish, millions of insects, species we haven't even discovered yet. Scientists are still finding new life here every single year. It's like a living museum of evolution, a world we still don't fully understand. But here's the question. If the Amazon is so important, why is it in danger? Why is there so much controversy? Why are governments fighting over it? This is where the real story begins. On one side, governments say, we need electricity, we need roads, we need farms, we need economic growth. So they build dams, they cut forests, they clear land for cattle, they plant massive soybean fields. On the other side, environmentalists warn, you're destroying the planet's future. Thousands of indigenous families are displaced. Fish populations collapse. Entire ecosystems vanish. Forests burn to ashes. It's development versus survival. And now, the most terrifying fact. Scientists say if just 20 to 25% of the Amazon is destroyed, the rainforest could collapse completely. It won't grow back. It won't recover. It could turn into dry savanna or even desert. And when that happens, global warming accelerates. Rainfall patterns break down. Climate systems crash, which means if the Amazon dies, our future dies with it. We often think that's South America's problem, but it's not. When you breathe, you're connected to the Amazon. When you eat food, global supply chains connect you to the Amazon. When the climate changes, it affects all of us. No one is separate. We are all tied to this forest. So remember this, the Amazon is not just a river. It's not just a forest. It's a living, beating heart of our planet. Every single day, it keeps Earth alive. But if we fail to protect it, one day our children might only read about it in history books as Once upon a time, there was a forest called the Amazon, and all we'll have left is regret. If you want to learn more powerful, real, and eye-opening stories like this, like the video, share it, and subscribe, because the biggest stories on Earth are still untold.